Stop playing. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. I don't want to. I don't look at me.
We're not making.
Look at me.
You want me to take a stop?
Stop. You're getting worked up. You're getting worked up.
He's going to sort it out.
Look at me. You're making this bigger than it is.
Yeah, but all the stuff I didn't get from here.
I've been fair with you always, right?
All the stuff didn't come from here.
December 27th, a New Jersey mall. Loss prevention flagged a stroller covered by a blue blanket. Nearly $2,000 in stolen clothing was inside it.
My girl, let's go. Let's go.
Just come this way.
Let's go. Yeah.
Exactly. Come on. Come on. Okay.
We dealt with each other before. You know me, right?
I don't have no alarms on that stuff. I was bringing it back.
You're wearing the coat you stole. Stop playing. Listen, look at me. We know each other, right? Stop playing.
I didn't
stop playing.
I was bringing it back.
Stop playing. Let's go.
I don't have no alarms on this stuff.
Just relax.
I didn't take none of this stuff.
I've been watching you the whole time. Stop. Look at me. Look at me. Remember?
I got the stroller.
You heard?
I understand what you're saying, but there's none of that stuff.
I don't want to hear your bullshit. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
How is it bullshit?
I don't want to hear it.
So I got sensors on that stuff?
No, because you took them off. Yeah. Stop. Look. I've always been fair with you, right? Right? We can do it this way. Before. Come on, stop playing.
Come on.
Take that jacket off. Take it off. The stolen jacket, take it off. I already know. Look, stop playing. Stop playing. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. I don't want to. I don't look at me.
We're not making.
Look at me.
You want me to take a stop?
Stop. You're getting worked up. You're getting worked up.
He's going to sort it out.
Look at me. You're making this bigger than it is.
Yeah, but all the stuff I didn't get from here.
I've been fair with you always, right?
But all the stuff didn't come from here.
That's all right.
That's fine. That's fine. I'm not trying to put nothing on you didn't come with. You got to turn around though. You know the drill.
Are you?
Stop. We'll talk inside, right?
Inside where?
Inside headquarters.
You want me to take this sort of okay?
You're getting worked up.
Some of the stuff came in here with already known.
He's going to sort it out.
Look at me. You're making this bigger than it is.
Yeah, but all the stuff is I didn't get from here.
I've been fair with you always, right?
All the stuff in here. You're taking me to the car, right?
Yes.
What I'm saying to you is, I don't want you to recharge me for stuff that I was trying to exchange.
I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that.
Some of that stuff I came in with to have a bag as a decoy. So all that stuff I did not take
look at me
today.
Have I said anything
Some of the
about
stuff
any
you
of this?
can't go
More than it is.
I'm not going to make it more than
I got you.
But you're going to get stuck in the shoulder.
I'm making it more than what it is. We're going to the car, right? You're taking me to the car, right?
Yes.
What I'm saying to you is, I don't want you to recharge me for stuff that I was trying to exchange
I
that I got
wouldn't do
from
that.
somebody.
I wouldn't.
Some of that stuff I came in with to have a bag as a decoy. So all that stuff I did not take today.
Have I said
So
anything
some of the
about
stuff you
this?
can't go charge me with that.
I haven't charged you with anything yet.
Some of the stuff I was trying to get off as exchange. That's all I'm saying.
Okay, I got you. Listen, I heard you. Hear me, please.
Turn around.
That's why. Like, look at me. That's why, like a gentleman, I escorted you over to the hallway instead of doing that in front of everybody over there. I'm not trying to charge you with something you didn't do. Okay? Right now, it is what it is. So let's just do it.
Jacket, I was trying to.
Come on, turn around.
Why are your car right here?
Yes.
Relax. Turn around.
I'm asking him next. I don't want him to walk me over through the car.
I know, but that's our procedure.
That's why.
No, that's our. We're just telling you because that's our procedure. That's why we're right here.
I
You're good.
escorted you over to the hallway instead of doing that in front of.
That's why we're not doing it in front of the elevator, escalator.
Hold on.
All that stuff is not
Okay, we're gonna sort it out once we get to headquarters, and then you're good. That's it.
What's your name, Amani? What is it?
You know that.
Okay, that's what I'm asking you. Come on.
No baby in here, right? No. Just making sure the baby's not getting suffocated.
I got it.
Sit back there with her.
Real one. That's funny.
Did you grabbing that?
No, I'm telling you to take it out. It's an inside pocket.
Yeah.
Inside pocket.
Oh, you gotta chill. You want us called out?
Scan it like that.
Right now?
I got it.
Unless I took it out.
Hey, listen, I'm being honest with you. These are the guys you want to be driving with, okay? We're gonna deal with you by ourselves at headquarters, but you're good right now, I promise you. And we're following you inside right now. Me and Officer McGuire, Sergeant McGuire,
Right.
we're going inside with you right now. You're going to be dealing with the two of us for the transport. I know you wanted to go in the other car. These are the guys you want to ride with. They're aces. I'm telling you right now.
I have a cage car with me. No, we don't have a cage.
Off once we get there.
Okay.
All right?
My body cam's on still, so just be advised of that.
Okay. Can you zip it up so nine don't fall out, please?
It's zipped.
Okay.
It is zipped.
'Cause my
I'm wrong. I apologize.
Amani, what's your last name?
Ah,
It's in the system. What is it? Just for our records.
Send me to the county. Let me know.
I didn't say a word about sending you to county. I have you under for shoplifting right now. That's the least of your worries. Come on.
I ain't do nothing else.
No,
What you mean, don't
exactly.
be
That's what I'm saying. Come on.
But I don't want you to take shit that you know, if you claim you've been watching me, you would have seen I came in with bags. That's what you said.
Yeah, but you know I'm good at what I do, right?
But you seen I had a bag full of stuff under there, right? You seen that, right?
I seen it. I didn't say nothing about that.
Right. So it's stuff in here that didn't come
No.
from here.
Well, okay, but what I'm saying is when you start feeding me lines of bullshit, it is what
All
it
I said
is.
was there ain't no sense on this. That's all
I got you. Okay,
cool,
okay.
whatever.
No, stop.
He took my
It's
phone.
not like that. It's
He
not
took
like
my
that.
phone.
No, I have
Everything's
it.
coming
I got
with
everything. It's all
everything's
coming
coming
No,
with you.
I didn't
Come
know
on.
where
Taking
you
all your
put it.
personal I got it. I got it. It's all good.
Come on. Come on.
You're going in that truck right there.
yeah, we can make
All right, so
Okay. Come on with me.
what about? All right, I'll talk to you.
Yeah, please. Look. Okay? You understand?
Yeah, but you need to understand what I'm trying to tell you.
We can talk inside, okay?
Please,
Got you. This is why we weren't gonna do
ain't no
this.
string on this. Oh, you want? Oh,
I got it. I'm gonna
yeah, unclip
I'm
it.
not gonna
Or do
cut
this.
it. I'm just gonna unclip it.
I need to really.
Man,
No.
you're needy today. Why are you being so needy?
I know you don't.
You know we're gonna be cool in 10 minutes, so why don't be like that right now?
I'm going through the worst.
I'm not
shit
trying.
ever.
I'm
You
not.
see that babe? I woke up. I'm going through it. Seriously.
Okay, we'll talk about it. We will talk
I
about it.
cannot go to what's in there.
Let me make sure you don't got nothing else. You don't
I
got.
told you I had a damn pocket knife. Ain't nothing in my pocket.
You said in the bag, right?
Yeah, but
Okay.
tell them don't
Nothing in your
take my
pockets though,
stuff.
right?
I came here with.
No one's gonna take nothing you came here with. There's nothing else, right? You don't have like a layer on under this,
No.
nothing. Okay, all right, come on,
And I
hold
got on my
on.
boots.
Nothing in these pockets.
That's it. Nothing.
Okay, okay. All right. Just chill. We'll talk in a little bit, all right? Hold on. We got to get her on that side to get her in. Come on.
Walk around.
No. Slide through. I'm gonna open the door.
Something be
I
a
respect
break
it. I respect it.
Then you're in our custody, right?
Yeah, I
Something
respect
crazy
it.
happens.
I respect it. I respect it.
Let's try getting you out of the.
I'm in the car up ahead of you.
We're following you guys.
Hold on.
Let me assist her. I got her. Go ahead. Go ahead. You're good? Let me just put the seatbelt on you.
Shoplifting in New Jersey. New Jersey statutes 2C:20-11. Value between $500 and $75,000 is a third-degree crime, 3 to 5 year state prison. $2,000 lands squarely in that range. A stroller used to conceal stolen merchandise is not just a vehicle. Under New Jersey statutes 2C:5-5, any instrument used to facilitate retail theft qualifies as a burglary tool. Fourth-degree crime. Up to 18 months. She removed the security tags herself. That is not incidental. Under New Jersey law, possession of a shoplifting tool, a tag remover, a lined bag, a concealment device is a separate charge from the theft itself. It does not merge. Both are prosecuted independently. I came in with a bag as a decoy. She said that on bodycam, voluntarily, unprompted. Loss prevention had not asked her about the bag. Under the spontaneous statement doctrine, voluntary admissions made outside custodial interrogation are admissible without Miranda. That statement goes directly to the prosecution. I was bringing it back. She said that too while wearing the stolen jacket. The LP officer's response was 3 words: "You're wearing it." That exchange is the case, on camera, in 1 sentence. The LP officer knew her by name, by face. We know each other, right? Under New Jersey statutes 2C:20-11.3, organized retail crime and pattern offending carry enhanced penalties beyond the base shoplifting charge. Prior history is not just background, it is an element. Charges filed: shoplifting 3rd degree and possession of burglary tools 4th degree. 2 separate counts. Running independently, maximum combined exposure, 5 years plus 18 months. The stroller had no baby inside. The LP officer asked anyway, just making sure the baby's not getting suffocated. The stroller had merchandise, not a child. The concealment method made the officer ask that question. That is how thoroughly this was planned.
Just in case. It's a 2-minute run.
Sneak out this way, and then just watch your step right here.
Tell me where to go.
Perfect.
You follow me.
I'm locking it, Gator. You got the key?
All right, we're gonna come right up this way.
You got the bag?
The purse is actually in my car.
Her purse is in the front seat of our car. We'll get it in a second.
Hey, you want to get it?
It's
I unlocked it right now. Follow me right this way. Right this way. That's we're gonna come all the way down this way.
Bodie. Hello again.
Right down here, you just have a seat right here on the bench. We'll be right with you momentarily.
What you got, boss man?
We'll take them off for a second. We'll come in and we'll start the check-in process and get everything going.
Gator, just give me 1 second.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
All right, bro.
Is it locked now? Good. All right. Do it again. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Light skin guy, purchase himself.
Okay.
On camera.
We'll do that too.
Just stand up, face that wall. Stand up and face that wall real quick. I'm gonna take this cuff off. You're gonna put your hand up on the wall. You heard me?
Right on the.
Put that up on the wall. Don't move. Jesus fucking Christ. About to break a fucking hip in here. Put the hand up on the wall. Don't move until I tell you to. Hey, Cass. Do you mind? I know you're doing other stuff, but
I gotta take this vest off, right?
you gotta take everything off. Just give not everything. Just we get a female officer coming to search you right quick.
Perfect. Thank
Cass, sorry. I know you're involved in other stuff. Thank you, ma'am.
Those are yours, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, just spread your legs for me.
I have no string on my clothes.
You could have a seat. I'm gonna ask you to take this off.
Okay. Do you mind if I pull my pants down?
I'll pull it for you. You're good. All right, you can take off your vest.
I'm just putting it inside.
You're good. I'll do it for you. All right, you can have a seat. Do me a favor, take off your shoes. Do you have any jewelry on you?
What year is it?
Is your hair in a hair tie?
What year is it right now?
As long as you have no hair tie.
No, I don't.
Okay. Thank you. You can pass that to me.
You keep them, right?
Yeah, they're gonna be right here.
I'm gonna keep
I'm not
these.
taking them away. They're nice though. Yeah. And expensive, I'm sure.
For this weather, this is what you need.
They're my boots now. Thank you. I'll play.
I think they man boots if I'm not mistaken.
All right, you don't have no. All right, cool. Just take off your socks from me real quick. From the top, inside out.
What you mean?
Just, yep, from the top, let's take it just, yep, just like that second one.
Just make sure you check her bra and all that too.
Okay.
Cause she had Berg tools on her cast.
Okay.
You good with her for a second?
Yeah.
Face this wall. Look this way. Come closer to the wall.
I'm trying not to step in nothing wet.
You're good.
Want me to look it up?
No, you're good. I just want to confirm that we don't have nothing. All right, you're good. You got the seat. What hand do you write with?
Oh, my right hand.
Okay.
Please don't make it tight.
Handcuffs are not meant to be comfortable, but I got you. I'll try my best. All right, you're good.
Yeah, right in the void. Sorry about that cast.
Thank you.
Grades. One legal note. LP officers are not police. They carry no arrest power under New Jersey law without citizens' arrest provisions. The police body cam officer on scene is the formal arresting authority. LP built the case. Police executed the arrest. The handoff was clean. Imani grade D. Every statement she made reduced her options and increased her exposure. I was bringing it back, said while wearing the item. I came in with a decoy bag, said before anyone asked. She had the right to say nothing. She said everything instead. 3 lessons. 2. LP officers are not bound by Miranda. They are not police. They are not conducting custodial interrogation. Anything said to loss prevention voluntarily, in a hallway, before police arrive is admissible. There is no Miranda protection in that conversation. 3. Prior history is not private in retail crime. LP officers share databases. They remember faces. Repeat offenders face enhanced charges under organized retail crime statutes. Every prior interaction with the same LP officer is a building block for a pattern criminal case. 1 stroller, 1 jacket worn out the door, 1 decoy bag, 2 criminal counts, nearly $2,000 in merchandise, and a loss prevention officer who had seen her before and was watching her the whole time. Drop a comment. What do you think the sentence should be? Subscribe for weekly body cam analysis. The moments suspects don't expect to end up on camera. We'll see you in the next one.